my main thing is that I think of meditation as a happening, not as something that we do, in the sense that, for example, if you have to go to sleep,
Yeah.
you don't do anything to go to sleep. You just
Yeah.
make the temperature right. You
Yeah.
take your nice fluffy blanket, plush blanket, or whatever kind of blanket you like, and you just put that one leg out of the blanket, like so that your one leg is warm, one leg is cool. Like, you
Yeah.
set that, make that perfect ambience, you make the perfect setting, and
Yeah.
then sleep just happens. So
Hmm.
same way for me, especially for beginners, it's important to understand that we need to create a conducive environment, and then meditation can just happen.
Yeah.
So for example, for me, that includes a lot of breathing.
Hmm.
So there are a lot of breathwork techniques that you could start there. Pranayama is great, Kriya is great, Sudarshan Kriya is great. Um, or even asana practice, like if you have a yoga practice, like physical movement, like running, going for a run, or some sun salutations, or anything that can shake you and that can move your energy around.
Yeah.
uh, that's number one. So when you have set the ambience right using any of these breathing techniques, then
Yeah.
meditation will just happen. Then we don't have to like force ourselves to like sit for a long period of time.
Yeah.
You'll automatically kind of meditate for however long your body and your mind needs it. That's number one. The second thing I would say is, um, it's okay to have thoughts in meditation, and it's okay to have emotions during meditation.
Yes.
Um, a lot of times we think that meditation means no thoughts, right? Or
Yeah.
meditation means um,
Yeah.
like that my mind should be completely clear.
Yeah.
That may be a result of meditation, that may be a
Yeah.
fruit of meditation, but during the meditation we don't purposely try to force the mind to have no thoughts, because the
Mm-hmm.
mind will resist like what you resist at the level of the mind is what persists. Like, you
Yeah.
close your eyes, you're like, don't think about this person, and that's the person you keep thinking about, right?
Yeah.
So don't tell your mind what to do during the meditation. Let it do whatever it wants to do.
Yeah.
Then it will, come and sit right next to you. And then the third thing that I would say for people who are starting out on meditation is, do not be too quick to don't be too quick to judge the results
Mm-hmm.
of your practice. A
Yeah.
lot of people fall out. They start very enthusiastically, and then 1 week, 2 weeks into it, they're like, okay, like, like, I
Yeah.
don't know, it helped me. I really like it, but I don't know how much of it is it helping me in the long run. Because meditation is like, uh, like every single day it opens up something else, right? So
Or
it takes a little bit of time. It also takes a little bit of perseverance, I would say, um, to kind of go through that first stage of fallout. It's almost like a sine curve, right? So
yeah.
there is a high and there's an up, and by nature there will be a down, like, and when you're going through that down period, then you would see that it's easy for us to give up. So I would say, don't give up. Like,
Yeah.
just do something.
Mm-hmm.
So even if that means 10 minutes of breathing, or 10, 15, and like playing a guided meditation, or something like that, whatever it is, just stay connected to your own self through one way or the other. So I think those will be my three tips, for people who are just
Yeah.
starting out on meditation.
Those they definitely sound like they're coming from someone who's been doing this for a really long time.